Okay, guys, today we are making cassava pizza. Have you tried cassava pizza? If not, just watch how we're gonna make this one. So today we are going to make a very first time cassava pizza. Hey, how does that sound, guys? Cassava pizza. I usually eat cassava just the way I just bite, but this will be my first time to make pizza from cassava. Let us watch. After cutting cassava into pieces, I washed them and then I added a cup of water, added some salt, cover it, and then cook until soft. As you see here, I'm checking if it's ready, and of course it was ready. Today I want to do this very different way. Look how I'm mashing my cassava into my hands, and this bowl, guys, is so amazing. It was not hot. Well, I added some milk so it can make it a little softer, but hey, if you want, you can add coconut milk or anything you want. I added some butter into my baking tray because I don't want my cassava pizza to get burnt. Here I'm just fixing my pizza. As usual, you can do the same thing on a regular pizza, guys. This is cheese. I like mixing it white and orange. So now it's time to start adding some oil. You can also add sauce, and if you want to add the sauce, this is the time for you to add the sauce. But myself, I put some olive oil on top. I didn't want to add the sauce because I have someone who doesn't like sauce. So that's why I didn't put any sauce. So my cheese is on, and I had also some veggies, which is bell pepper. I also added some chicken on my cassava pizza. After we are done, we are going to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And before adding your pizza in the oven, you have to make sure your oven is heated. And now our pizza is ready, guys. Look at this. Look how this looks like. It's looking so beautiful and yummy, delicious. I can't wait to try it, guys. I said it's my first time to cook this. Guys, now it's time for me to try my cassava pizza. I will no lie to you guys, this is delicious and yummy. I will recommend you to make the same and then come back to my video and let me know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed watching. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.